Example 1. The figure ABCDE is made up of triangle CDE and rectangle ABCE. Find the area of the figure. If you look at the figure, it is made up of a rectangle and a triangle. So to find the area of this figure, you have to separately find the area of the rectangle, then you add to the area of the triangle. So let's start with step number 1. Let's find the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 8 times 5, which is 40 square centimeters. Then the area of the triangle will be half times base times height, which is half times 8 times 7, and the answer is 28 square centimeters. Now let's do the last step, which you need to add the area of the rectangle to the area of triangle. So 40 plus 28, and the answer is 68 square centimeters.